So with an oscillating machine and some pads that are microfiber, we can go over a floor like this, and sometimes it's really hard to see if we even made a difference. It's definitely a little bit lighter than over here. Really hard to tell until you start looking at the pads, using fiber pads, and then also the cotton microfiber pads. You can see the kind of dirt that is coming off the floor like that. So those pads, both sides were used. So that's going over it 4 or 5 times in a small area. So a lot of times you can't tell the kind of dirt you have until you take a white rag and start wiping it. But right here, the floor is a lot lighter, and then over the pads aren't done yet, and it's a lot darker. So again, can make a huge difference with this machine and microfiber pads. We can pull dirt off of any surface, tons of dirt, even when you don't think it's dirty. Big improvement on this vinyl floor. With a machine that goes nice and fast and microfibers, I can go over the floor a lot more than some of the slower machines. I used about, let's see, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pads. The one's a fiber pad. All those pads were used both sides. So the floor is, I'm going over the floor hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times, and couldn't even tell it was that dirty. Got a ton of dirt off it, and now it's much lighter. It was really dark, combination of shoe oil and some of the cleaning products. But hard to tell on some of these floors what they're gonna, come up like until you start getting into using, a white pad like that. You can really tell what's coming out. Amazing results.